All right, so this is our 2021 Artifacts triple box break number 14. The first thing we're going to do here is randomize a list of participants. So get everybody on here in the requested spot numbers. Start with Mr. Black Sox, who had spot 1. Down to Van Every, who is in spot 31. I got to randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Go. Just run through that quickly. Right. And we'll do the teams. We got all 31 NHL teams on your alphabetical order, starting at the Anaheim Ducks. Winnipeg Jets. Randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Run through that quickly. Right, just going to copy and paste those lists in my spreadsheet, read off everybody's team. One moment, please. Rifkin's got Dallas, Agent 462, Calgary, Ray Cole, Los Angeles, Alex, Tampa Bay, Ghislaine, Philadelphia, Mr. Black Sox, Edmonton, Alex, St. Louis, Maverick, Colorado, Agent, Florida, Washington, Alex, Nashville, Downtown, Boston, Agent, Carolina, Van Every, Boston, Berger, Detroit, CDF, New York Islanders, Alex, Chicago, Nick, San Jose, Steve, New York Rangers, Agent, Vancouver, CDF, Arizona, Downtown, Ottawa, Nick, Pittsburgh, Ghislaine, Anaheim, Hawkster, Brian, Minnesota, Van Every, Las Vegas, Hawkster, New Jersey, Alex, Columbus, Star Goose, Toronto, Alex, Winnipeg, Buffalo. All right. There we go. Box number 1. Good luck, everybody. And just a quick reminder, as stated in the product description. Oops. If we hit any of the rookie redemption number 1 Roman numerals, or just the other number 1s, those will be going to the Rangers. All other Roman numeral redemptions and the wild card rookie redemptions will be randomized between everybody at the end of the break. Until we get a checklist. I have no idea when they're going to release that. I think we got a hit box right off the bat. Stacked packs. Okay, just a couple parallels on the top. That is going to Vancouver and Detroit. Got the Purple Patch Rookie Relic Redemption number 6. It's going to get randomized off the end of the break between everybody. And you got an orange for Washington, Alex Ovechkin. Year 1 Rookie Sweaters jersey for New Jersey, Nikita Gusev. An orange for Chicago, Patrick Kane. Dual patch out of 25, purple for LA, Drew Doughty. And we got a dual jersey for Chicago, Lucas Carlson. Rookie. Let's just double check that cup break. Still got 14 teams left. I think we're going to be pushing that to Monday. Also get some series action in the next 10 minutes. But it looks like it's going to be Monday. So we'll have some Series 2 breaks going up when we finish breaking here. Next week's Mega Mix and basically everything we're doing next week. Ryan. So we got most of the inserts in this box. And it's going to New Jersey, Nashville, Columbus, Carolina, Tampa Bay, Vancouver. Got a rookie redemption for Montreal and a rookie redemption for Pittsburgh. Last box coming up here. Hit box. All hits. Top 12 rookie signatures. Toronto, Nick Robertson. Tundra teammates duos out of 249 for Anaheim. Rickard Rakell, Sam Steele. Got a dual jersey for Philadelphia. James Van Riemsdyk out of 125. Rookie redemption for Philadelphia. Got an orange for Colorado. Nathan McKinnon. Threads of Time, patch out of 75 for Nashville, James Neal. Top right of that card is just a little bit, sorry, bottom left, a little bit beat up, just so you know. Threads of Time for Nashville, James Neal, just the regular jersey version, and rookie redemption for Detroit. Here we go. Just got the one redemption. Randomize. So. Okay, we're going to randomize this by team. Got all 31 teams on here in alphabetical order, starting with Anaheim. Down to Winnipeg, and randomize this list 3 times. Whoever ends up on top, spot number 1, is going to get the Rookie Relic Redemption purple patch, number 6. Go. 1, 2, and 3. This one is going to Edmonton. There we have it. Artifacts. Triple box break 14 in the books. Thank you very much, everybody.